Okay, everybody, we're going to draw a thing. Now keep up because this is gonna be probably easy. We're gonna learn how to draw Larry the Cucumber. All you gotta do is make it oval. You can make it look like a beam. Now we're gonna go to the next layer. You can do that through here. I'm using Fire Alpaca, so now we're gonna make the eyes. Whoop, whoop. And now we're gonna go into layer 4, make the, oh, that is a big schnoz, Larry. Wow! Okay, we're gonna go in here. There we go, that's a good nose. Now we're gonna make the pupils. You can do that in this layer. And if you want, you can add eyelids, and that's really easy. You just do this. Whoop! And now we're gonna add Larry's wonderful smile. You know, his toothy grin. So we're gonna do that. Ba-boom. And then we're gonna use this paint bucket. Bam! There you go. Now we're gonna use the eraser. Go into where the body is. Or the eyes, actually. Because, dang, we don't need these. Erase this, so. There. And now, if you want to add effect to the pupil area, you can add these little whoop, whoop. I like making the noises because it makes me more productive. Now we're going to color in our wonderful cucumber man. So we're gonna go and add a new layer, and you can use any friggin' green you want. I don't care. I'm using this green, but for his schnoz and his eyelids, you want it to be lighter. That's too dark. I'm trying to figure out how to undo. It's Control Z. Okay, there we go. There we go. That, no. See, that's something you want to avoid, making the outlines the same color. And there you go. You got a wonderful Larry the Cucumber.